Hi, this is Karl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new brokerage listing of mine. It's a 2020 Scout 215 Dorado. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the black gel coat hull color. This trailer shown is included with this boat. It's a magic tilt trailer that is specifically fit for this hull. Tandem axle trailer with brakes. You'll notice on the windshield, we've got a really aesthetically pleasing acrylic windshield. No frame. There's also a custom installed windlass anchor on this remote, or on this boat, excuse me. That's something you rarely see on this size, but that is one that we installed. Coming around to the transom, we got the C-deck foam flooring on both swim platforms for some added comfort as you're getting in and out of the boat. The boat's powered with a 200 horsepower V6 3.4 liter 4-stroke Mercury engine, naturally aspirated. Great power for this boat. We've got trim tabs, standard on this model. As you enter, we've got a nice cockpit door so we can close off the cockpit, keep dogs safely inside. Comfortable stern seat for two. Ski pole right here as well. Really big, oversized helm seats and observer seats. You'll notice they have a really nice fiberglass back. So really high-end molded seats, flip-up bolster, gives you a little bit of a leaning post. And they do swivel all the way around so you can have a nice social zone in this huge cockpit. A lot of space to maneuver around. You put the stern seat up, it stows away flush against the transom. You get a lot of space to maneuver back here. Undergunnel rod storage are beneath both sides. It's also a great place for a boat hook or a brush. We do have a live well back here, so you can certainly adequately fish this boat. Rod holders, cup holders, recessed cleats along the transom. We've got JL audio speakers, 2 in the cockpit and 2 up front. Here at the helm, we've got a 9-inch touchscreen from Garmin. Got our Fusion stereo remote, head unit, controls for the windlass anchor, trim tab remote, aircraft style toggle switches, ignition. The steering wheel is on a tilt base and has a steering knob. And we've also got digital throttle and shift from this V6 Mercury. We've got a glove box here that's lockable. Cup holders, nice acrylic black dash. On the port side, your observer does have a couple of cup holders, recessed area for a phone, charging port, little storage net, keep things like sunscreen in place. We do have storage in the floor. So you've got a ski locker. Head area on this boat, we've got a porta potty that's never been used. We have actually custom canvas for the bow and the cockpit. It was custom measured pattern installed specifically for this boat. More storage here on the starboard side. That's also where your battery switch is located. Life jackets, throwable cushion, emergency flare kit. That's all part of the boat and included. And then here in the bow, got really deep bow seating. That's expansive as well. You've got a lot of space to lounge. Again, 2 speakers up front, armrests that drop down for some added comfort. Cup holders up front as well, 4 total on both sides. And then we've got finished out storage beneath both seats. So this is all finished and drained. You've got a bunch of people on board and you need extra space for drinks and ice. This is also a good place for that. And that's a walkthrough of the 2020 Scout 215 Dorado. Again, I'm Karl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat, give me a call directly at 843-574-8289. You can also email me at karl.anderson@marinemax.com, and that's Karl with a K. Thanks for watching.